Good morning. I am dropping in to talk a little bit about my latest workshop, Inner Child Alchemy. You know, boy, more than 10 years ago now, actually, I can tell you the exact date. Yes, almost 11 years ago, when I started my spiritual journey, one of the first things I did was a process of connecting with myself as a child. And as part of that, I actually created a journal. This journal is full of pictures and letters and memories of when I was a child. And it's something I periodically go back to in my practices. And it's a bit unique in that it combines a bit of art journaling. It reconnected me with the creative side of me, which was so prevalent when I was little, and journaling, which I also love. And so I've put together a 5-week course where you can journey along with me. Over 5 weeks, we will create a container, whatever it might be for you, um, to do this journey to alchemize your childhood into who you are today. We'll take photos from your childhood. Well, look at some of these that I have that I'm going to do, that I'm going to go through, right? Um, And I'll show you, and we'll actually do this together because I'm gonna be doing it just as well with you, how we take those photos, and through meditation and reflection and contemplation, we enter those photos and use it as a path to, um, to deeper healing from our childhood. And it's a 5-week series. You can join me live, or you can have availability, to the recordings as well. And here it is. I just wanted to show you, this was the culmination of my first round of doing my journal. I actually did it in a separate art journal page. And I have many other examples, but this is going to be an evergreen process for me as well as for you, um, to join me. So I do hope you do join me live, or take advantage of the recordings. You will also get a workbook to go along with it. Um, and I look forward to you joining me. Thank you.